Good day, good day, good day. We're in Diversion, and this is where my favorite bike shop is, K Cervico. But the other thing is, if you bring your bike to K Cervico, there's loads of accessory shops along here for bikes, so you can get pretty much anything you want for any bike. I'm not joking when I say pretty much 100% you can get what you need along here, not just for motorbikes but all along here and all along the other side, car spares, etc, etc. Now, just to let you know, I am not getting anything for making this video. I do it as a favour to K Cervico because the service, at least to me, has been second to none. The mechanic here, he's just amazing. There's nothing he won't do, and he'll go that extra mile to help the customers. You can see how much of a state my bike's in. The kids have smashed my plate, smashed my indicator. As you can see, they've ripped my seat to pieces, and then they've smashed. I'm on about my fourth set of mirrors, because they either get stolen or they get damaged. I don't know if you can see it, but the tank's damaged. They've even stolen the rubber off my footrest. So anyway, there's not as many bikes here today because of the Chinese export. They're having trouble getting the bikes over the borders because of the quarantine conditions. So this is practically identical to my bike, apart from it's a 125, not a 100cc. Yeah, it's a little bit more powerful than mine, but look at the price of it, 52,900. That's an amazing price, just like that. And you get a free helmet when you buy a bike from here. Now, sometimes when I've had two bikes from here, so I'm speaking from experience, right? Sometimes there's a little bit of leeway in the price, sometimes. Now, don't come all smiling thinking you will get a bit of leeway in the price, because you might not. So, these bikes are made in India, right? This is the same make of bike as what I've got. If I had somewhere to put my bike, we'd get a bike, but until that day comes, I'll stay with old Hilda there. So we've got the Honda Supremo. Looks a nice kind of bike. It doesn't have any price on it. Doesn't give you the CC or nothing. Any bike you buy, you get
51,400.
yeah, right, 50. They're all in. Look, these bikes around 125. They're all from about anything from 47,000 to 60,000 pesos. You're not going to be paying a lot for a bike in the Philippines until you get to the 200cc mark and above, and that's when you start seeing the real money. This one here, this Kawasaki, is a very popular bike, and it's 75,900. I don't know why. I'm sure it's a lovely bike, but it's not my cup of tea a bike. What you'll find, or rather see a lot in the Philippines, are scooters. People like the big scooters here. I've never seen this bike before. It's a Kawasaki 175. How much is that one, babe? 87,500. So I'll put the pesos into dollars on the screen when I've said how much a bike is. Here's a scooter, look. It looks a big boy.
78.
And we've got 78,900, look.
Can you buy me that?
Oh, of course I could buy it now. I'll buy you one. Give me the money. Well, give me the money and I'll buy it, yeah. Again, another Honda is going to be about the same price, I would have thought.
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah. Now, I was hoping there'd be a bigger variety of bikes here, and we had somebody that could walk around with us and tell us a little bit about them, etc. So it's not turned out as good as I thought it was going to be. Now, my advice to you is, if you're going to buy a bike, do not buy second-hand in the Philippines.
Why?
Because they drive 3 to 4 on the bike, ridiculous amount of people on the bikes sometimes, or they've been connected to a trike, you know, they've been a trike. They've had a hard life, and if they're selling them, that means they're not much good, trust me. I mean, again, you might have a family member that's selling one and you know the history of the bike, that's fair enough. Plus you probably get it for next to nothing if you're lucky. But that's it. So if you want a bike, come to K Cervico. It's service with a smile, and the head mechanic here, he's amazing. He's a great guy. He goes out of his way to help you out, like I say. That's why I always come back here, because it's good service and they're very pleasant staff.
Helpful.
Yeah, very helpful, very helpful. I don't know who she is. Who are you? Let's get her on camera. Are you single? Yeah? All right. Are you looking for a foreigner?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Are you married?
I'm looking for Chris Red.
You're looking for Chris Wren? Is he a foreigner?
Yeah.
Yeah, is he good looking?
Yes, absolutely.
Wow. So, how's this then for going above and beyond the call of duty? Now, I decided he'd give me the choice of a new battery, because the other one was like an acid with the little screw tops to charge it and put a little bit more acid in it. And he said I'd be better off with a sealed one in this humidity and what have you. So I'm getting a sealed one. Getting 2 new mirrors he's put on. He's done a full service. He's had the wheels off, everything out, the brake shoes out, everything. He's had the throttle cable off, the brake cable, oiled it, straightened everything up. What else has he done? Well, he's going to replace that when he comes back. You know where he's gone? I asked him to order some new indicators, because normally here, guys, I don't know if it's just here, but you can't get one, you've got to order 2. Same with that, when that got broke, you couldn't just order the lens, you had to order the full light. So he's actually gone out on his bike to try and find me 2 indicators. Now, do you see what I mean by K Cervico? It's easier. Were you able to get? No, nothing. Yeah, I thought so. So we've got to order some new indicators, and then I'll have to come back. If I get stopped, I'm hoping they're going to understand. I mean, look at me bike, guys. It's not knackered, but it just looks really worn and tired. I mean, if I give it a good clean, it'll be all right. But it's had a full service, oil change, filter cleaned, the carburetor's been off, stripped, cleaned, and new spark plug. It's not had a spark plug since I got the bike. He said the carburetor was absolutely full of muck, which is probably one of the reasons it doesn't tick over. So 900 pesos so far. That's before I pay for the service, and the service is peanuts, guys. You have a bike here, I mean 900 pesos for the bits. It's just unbelievably cheap here. And like I say, you go up to anything from about 100, 125, 175 cc. You'll pay anything from 46,000. I know I'm contradicting myself a little bit with what I said previously, to 76,000. Then if you go up to 200 cc, you're paying about 104,000 now. Now I did ask, and on something like that where it's only 52,900, they'd probably knock you 1,000 pesos off. It wouldn't be much, because don't forget they give you a free helmet as well. Whether it's up to British standard or a US standard, I'll leave that one with you. But at the end of the day, you can't gripe when you've got something free, can you? So just another look at them, guys, before I shut this down. Now I've started this after I said goodbye to you, and basically it's because I'm a Londoner. But you can see, look, I mean, they're the same bike, both of them. 51,400. It's nothing, absolutely nothing for a bike. Can you imagine if this was in the US or UK, how much it would cost you, just this particular bike? What's the Honda? It hasn't got a price on it. Let's have a look. I don't even know. I think it looks like it's a 125 cc. What's the price of the Honda? What's the price? The Honda, yeah. He's just going to have a look at the price for me, because I've not really given you... Look, like I keep saying, whether it's a Honda, whether it's a Kawasaki, whatever, they're all around the same price at 101.25 cc, 175, all around the same price.
73,400.
All right. 73,400. Again, you'd get a little bit of discount. They'll always knock you a little bit off. And don't forget, it's always cash anyway, so, you know. But if you go into their other shop in Centro, near Plaza, they've got more bikes there, but they sell computers and electrical items and all sorts. So, can't see the, it's an installment plan on it. Installment price. Oh, there it is, look. So for one of these you're going to pay 100, you might as well say 169,000 for one of these, battery operated. You see quite a few of these going around Centro, but not for me. If I was disabled maybe, but no. Right, so there you go, my bike's finished. I don't know how long he's been on with it, but it's been quite a long time. I know, because I'm literally soaking wet. It needs a really good clean. It's been outside for 5 months. And so just to finish, it's had a full service, all the parts, the new mirrors, the battery, spark plug, oil, different things come to 900 pesos. Guess how much the service come to? 250 pesos. That's it. So can you see the benefits of having a bike in the Philippines? That's a nice bike there, look, what he's just come in on. Let's have a look at that one. Oh, gotta show you this one. Looks a nice bike. Don't want to embarrass the guy, that's a big bike. Suzuki. How big's the engine, sir?
150.
It's a 150. Yeah. It looks bigger than a 150, doesn't it? Did you get it from K Cervico?
Yeah. 1 month later.
Do you mind if I ask how much?
1 91,000.
Very nice. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Trav's okay?
Yeah. Comfortable, no?
Well, he's hardly like to say he doesn't like it, is he, I guess? It's nice. No, where my wife is, that's mine. I had a Kawasaki.
That's better, no, than this
No,
one.
I had a Kawasaki 200, and the kids were just destroying it, so I got rid of it and got a heap. If they destroy that, it's okay. Thank you very much. You got it? So that's it, guys. So please hit the like button,
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and
share our videos. I hope you like the videos, guys.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been